the best.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry.
My name's Gustavo Castro. I'm from Florida. So I was looking for veneers, and I found this place. Then they had the best ratings. Google had a 4.9 out of 5. Like, that's really good. And I wanted to change my smile because I was not happy with my teeth, and then, you know, I lacked confidence, and now I'm 100% happy. I live right next to Mexico, which is another, you know, dental place, tourist place. Over here, I feel like I was more confident than going to Mexico, and I am from Mexico, but I here had good ratings and it was worth it. So first communication, they answered every question. I asked about quote, I asked, you know, the whole experience. He guided me through everything. He followed up on my flights. My flight got delayed 2 hours. They were like, no problem, I'm gonna send a driver to come pick you up at your time. Everything was, you know, great. Well, I talked to him, and then he talked to me, and he's like, after he saw my pictures and my x-ray, he's like, I can fix your smile. And like, he had 100% confidence that he can make me like smile come back. And I was like, you know, I had confidence that, you know, he can do it because he had confidence in himself. I was told to come here for a week, and they got me in here and for 4 days, and they got me through the first consultation. The first day I got here, they were already fixing my smile, and then a couple days to recover, and a couple days later, and I already have a perfect smile. I am 100% happy. I sent pictures back home, and they're like, wow, and I'm like, yeah, I'm already telling them, they're already asking. I'm not even recommending, they're already asking me, where'd you go? And I'm like, hey, come here. I mean, everyone's been great to me. Since I got to here, from everyone, they all been smiles, they're all great personality. You know, this is the best place. Like, I love this place. Like, it's so nice. The environment is so clean. Like, everything from top to bottom, I have no excuse. Like, I have nothing bad to say. Myra's the best.
Thank you so much. I'm